an L-shaped living and dining space. It's an open kitchen concept which makes it most, and yes, the bed space is in the center of the house and this is the most spacious room of the. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetil and today we'll be doing the sample flight tour of Manaskanda The Right Life by Manaskanda located in Sarjapur, East Bangalore. And right now we are here on the actual land parcel, that is the actual site of the project, and I'm standing on the main entrance, so you can have a look in the background. This is the main entrance where the land parcel starts from and goes up to 100 plus acres. And now about the marketing office, which is just on my right hand side over here, where they have the discovery center ready for you. They have model flat and miniatures and much more to show you. Now, before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. Manaskanda The Right Life is 120 plus acre of integrated township with multiple phases. Here's the phase 1 with 9 towers with 3 basement ground plus 32 and 34 floors, which offers you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK premium homes with maximum of open and green space. Talking about the amenities, and this project offers you luxurious amenities like of a grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities. You get swimming pool on the rooftop, kids play area, open space to relax, sports arena and many more amenities. Coming to the location part, and our project is located bang on Vartur Sarjapur Road in Sarjapur, East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and I'm standing on the main entrance, so just behind me is the main entrance of our project. So basically, Vartur Sarjapur Road is just opposite to me. So here's the Vartur Sarjapur Road and this road will connect you towards Vartur and the opposite side road will take you towards Dhammasandra. Talking about the further connectivity part, so you can connect to Greenwoods High International School in just 100 meters, United World Academy that is 350 meters away from our project. So now the wait is over and we are going to explore your 3 BHK model flat of 1709 square feet super built up area, and here's the main entrance of our house. So once you step inside, let's focus upon the entrance which comes up with a digital door lock for your security purpose. And now this is the huge foyer area for your privacy. And this foyer area will lead you towards your spacious and L-shaped living and dining space. So first let's focus upon your living area where you can have a look at the beautiful interior which is done for your reference over here with the sofa set, the couch, teapot and even a TV unit space. And this living area has a perfect balcony connection. And this is the connecting balcony. Comes up with anti-skid flooring over here, iron railing, and this balcony will give you 2-side open view so that you can enjoy a perfect scenic view. Now once you step inside, let's focus upon this dining space and you can have a look how beautifully the dining table is set over here. You can arrange your 6 or else a 4-seater of dining table in this space. Now your kitchen area is exactly back inside. So this is your kitchen space. You can have a look. It's an open kitchen concept which makes it more spacious and comfortable. You can add up a L-shaped platform like this over here. And again a beautiful interior like cabinets, all the white goods. Platform is also done for your reference. And even the utility space. The utility space comes up with anti-skid flooring, provision for your machine and half-wall structure on 2 sides. Moving towards your bedroom space, and 1 bedroom is on the one side, another 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house. So once you step inside over here, let's explore this bedroom. And this bedroom is much more spacious with ample of space to move around in the room. Additionally, here is your bed space in the center of the room. And the plus point is this balcony. Yes, it comes up with a perfect private balcony with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony is 3-side covered. You can perfectly make it as a sit-out area. Now once you step inside, let me show you for a cross ventilation, here's a cross window as well. About a TV unit, yes, you can even fit your TV unit or else your work table this way. And one more plus point, that here is the walk-in wardrobe. This bedroom comes up with a perfect walk-in wardrobe. Isn't it amazing? Private washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Here the shower area is divided by a tile drop to avoid the water spillage. Now let's explore the rest of the house. So for your bedroom number 2, you have to cross your living area, and just over here is your bedroom number 2. So once you step inside over here, again you can have a look. This comes up with petrified flooring, a bed space in the center of the room, and the best part and my favorite is the bay window. It comes up with a perfect bay window so that you can enjoy a perfect view. Here's the wardrobe which is tucked inside so that the space is managed beautifully. Now, once you step outside this room, common washroom is exactly in front. Comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So now about the master bedroom, which is just over here. But before that, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with actual location tour, with such sample flight videos, with the pros and cons of the projects, with payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are just in the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now let's explore your master bedroom. So here once you enter, the uniqueness, the specification is the flooring. The proper wooden flooring. And yes, the bed space is in the center of the house, and this is the most spacious room of this house. And one more thing, the another plus point is the balcony. Yes. Here's the balcony, which again comes up with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and gives you perfect scenic view. One thing, if you have noticed, that each and every room comes up with a specification. 2 bedrooms has private balcony and 1 has their bay window. Now once you step inside, right over here is the cross ventilation ke liye window. So here's a cross ventilation window, and now you can add up your dressing table right over here, your wardrobe this side, your TV unit space, and you can manage your own room. About the private washroom, which is just behind me. Private washroom comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. And again here the shower area, which is divided via tile drop. So now, as you all know, we are here in Sarjapur location. Have you checked another project in Sarjapur? If yes, then drop down in the comment section. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button, and click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.